Hello everyone, this is a cheese advent calendar I picked up from Sam's Club, and nowadays advent calendars really are not much of a surprise because the box label usually lists everything that's in it, and so there is 12 different cheeses, 24 cheeses altogether, so 2 of each cheese, which is actually good because I've opened lots of advent calendars over the years, cheese advent calendars, and last one I did, I only had like 6 different ones. It just kept repeating the same 6 over and over again. So the fact that there's only 1 repeat of each for this one is really, really good. I'm gonna open it all at once. For one, this advent calendar has to be refrigerated, and 2, I got lots of advent calendars to open. And I'm hungry. So I'm gonna open it up real quick, and then I will do a separate video taste testing the cheeses to see if it's worth it, because last year I did not like my advent cheese calendar. They weren't that good. So the numbers are not in order, but we are gonna go in order. So number 1 right here is a Gouda with mustard seeds. Day 2. Right here. All right, so they're packaged pretty standard for cheeses that I've seen in advent calendars. If I can get this, oops. Day 2 is sweet cheddar. Day 3 is Edamame cheese. Day 4, come on. Day 4 is aged Gouda, so we don't have any repeats yet. Day 5, where are you? Number 5, up here in the left-hand corner. Oh, no cheese in day 5, so that means it fell down somewhere. Day 6. Day 6 is vintage cheddar. It's weird. I guess it looks like, I don't know. What do we say? I'm sorry, I'm thrown off that one was missing. Where's day 7? Did I just do say 7? Yep, right here. Day 7 is chili infused cheddar. So no repeats yet. I like that. Day 8. Day 8 is double Gloucester. I know I'm saying that wrong. Day 9. Jalapeno Gouda. Day 10. Okay, so this is fallen from something. That is not day 10. We're gonna put that to the side. I still feel an 11, so I'm not, that might be the missing day. That's weird. Okay. You see what I'm saying? I can still see like an 11 right there that we haven't opened up yet. Smoked paprika. Let's do 11. 11 is the herb Gouda. So we're going to assume this is like the missing 5. This was Dutch cheddar pepper. So again, no repeats yet. So 12. These are pretty good sizes too. Which is, I'm going to share it with my husband. So it'll be cut it in half, a perfect bite for each of us. And this one is Mediterranean Gouda, and I don't think we've had that one either. So no, so then 13 should now start to be the duplicates. Gouda with mustard seed, which was number 1. So, and that was 13. So 14, 14, where are you? 14, you're right here. 14 is, these are a bit tricky to get out. Vintage cheddar, and 16, oh wait, 15. 15, Edam cheese, 16, let's try to move this along. These are definitely hard to get out. Dutch cheddar, 17, or is that 22? Oh my God, that was 22. Okay, so some of them have fallen out of place. All right, this is ridiculous. I already did that one, so 18. 18. I'm not even looking now. We know there's duplicates. 19. Where is 20? They're in there pretty good, so I'm surprised any of them actually fell out. But we have had 2 fall out of their spots. 22. Yep, there's nothing in 22. That one fell out of its spot. 23. And then the last day, 24. Chili infused, so. And then this side, I'm going to use this in the taste test. So it tells you each one, the 12 different ones, and it tells you what's in them. And I like that. I like when they tell you a little better description. And here is all the cheeses. All right, so I'm going to pull one of each, and then we'll do a taste test. I'm going to throw together a quick charcuterie board, and the video after this will be the taste test of these cheeses. I don't remember the price offhand. I did do a short reel on it. I'm 99% sure it was less than $20. I think it was a really good deal for an advent calendar.